Hello, welcome to Apsana classes. Today in this video, let's know about energy band diagram of PN diode. So let you assume this as PN diode, where we have P region and N region. The contact surface is depletion region. Okay, don't get worry about the whole diagram. Just divide from as three parts and give the notation and let's derive the equation. Okay, see here we have N region. In N region, see this is N region. So this is conduction band and this is valence band. So what is this line? This line is nothing but our Fermi level. So what is the Fermi level? Fermi level indicates or shift according to weight of the ions in a whether it is to the conduction band or valence band. So this dotted line is um, like center part to the this energy band gap. So the gap between conduction band and valence band, let's give right here conduction band, here it is a valence band, right? Valence band. So gap between the conduction band and valence band is forbidden energy gap. So let you represent with EG. Okay, EG. So this between this conduction band and valence band, it is EG and it is center part. So if it is center part, of course we have half EG and half EG here. Let's notate here half EG and half EG. Half EG is nothing but energy gap. Okay, energy gap, forbidden energy gap notation. Okay, so we have here two edges. Here we have two edges. Here we have two edges, right? So this edge is nothing but our edge of conduction band, but in N region. Just here, right here. Okay, and this edge in valence band, but in N region. Just give that notation. Okay, we are done here. Let's go for P region and then depletion region. So here you see we have again conduction band, this conduction band, valence band, as the same conduction band, valence band. Okay. Here see conduction band, valence band. Here we do have two edges where this edge of conduction but in P region, this edge in valence but in P region. Yes, come. And this gap is nothing but forbidden energy gap, as same as here. So EG. So the center part again divides EG. So half EG, half EG. Test. Right here, half EG. Half EG. So you see the Fermi level is referencing here with both P and N regions. So here the point to be noted is we take Fermi level as reference to represent the energy band diagram of PN diode. Of PN diode. So you come to depletion region. So now the depletion region have one notation. You see E naught. E naught is nothing but here the energy in the energy of the electron in the depletion region. So it is the reference, the level from the center part to here, this center portion. So this notation is for E naught, and the E naught is same here and here, this level. For this level too, we have the same levels of E naught representation. E naught. So E naught, and here we have E naught. Okay. If you see here, here you can represent this, the center part, center line to Fermi level as E1, and here the center line to Fermi level as E2, where these combines as E naught. So let's derive the equation for this E naught with in the notations of all edges and these energy gaps. So see here. So the equation for E naught, is equal to, see, if you add E1 plus E2, we get E naught, right? See, the same notation. So E1 plus E2 is equal to, see, here you do have another E naught, right? So if you subtract this edge to this edge, then we get E naught, right? So just subtract here edge of conduction in P region to edge of conduction in N region, equal to same as edge in valence, but in N region to edge in valence in P region. This is about the equation of E naught in the energy band, in representing of energy band diagram of PN diode. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.